Okay, what's up, guys? Okay, here once again. So, due to the request I've been having from a lot of people on how to trade on Bybit, having it being that Binance, a lot of people don't really enjoy using Binance, and also because of the regulation for Nigerian users on Binance. So a lot of people have been transitioning into using Bybit. So quick one, how to use Binance to trade. Sorry, how to use Bybit to trade on features. That's almost the same thing with like features on Binance is leveraging, and how to leverage on Bybit. So very easy. For this sake, I don't really use my Bybit only to trade. I just use it only to trade. So for this example, I will not be using much what's the name, USDT to trade. So let's go right into it. As you can see, this is the interface, this is the homepage, this is the market where you select what coin to do. Then this place you see derivative here, this middle bar, you see derivative. That's where you can leverage. Now you can see I have 12 USDT in my derivative account, so I have to add to it. Now if you want to add to it, meanwhile, before you add, you have to have at least an amount of USDT that you can use and trade. So right now I have $12 here. I don't really have much on this account. I just have about $300, right? So but you see where this $12 is. If you want to add, you click on the plus bar where you see deposit or transfer. Now there's no point depositing because I have what's the name, I have USDT somewhere, so I want to transfer. All right, so now how much are you transferring? Look at the top, you will see from funding account to unified trading account. That is what you want to do. All right, so now I want to transfer, let's just say want to transfer $100. You just type in the $100 and confirm the $100, right? Is going to, now you can see I have $112 in my derivative account. Right? That's my where I want, when I want to leverage. Now if you just want to buy normal token, you just click here and just buy. Take for instance, you want to buy BTC, you just see where you see buy, click on the buy, and you're buying at a particular good rate. You get. Now back to what I was saying on the leverage aspect. Now you want to, let's say you are trading BTC and you want to put a pending order. Pay attention to this place. This limit order is the same thing as pending order. So you're putting your limit order to set your pending order. That's your pending order. To trade instantly at the price you're seeing the market, you click it here and you're putting in the same, just immediately you're taking the same trade. So now let's do pending order, and we want to put our stop loss and our take profit. So let's see, I want to buy this trade now, BTC, at $60,000. Let's just say, for instance, this is an example, right? I'm not taking any live trade because I've not done my analysis, so I won't want to just waste money carelessly. So now I want to buy USDT. I want to start buying. I want to leverage. I want to buy Bitcoin at $60. So now you put your price you want to enter at, which is $60. How much do you want to use out of your USDT? If you want to use 50% of it, you put it here. That means you'll be using 50% of it. You drag this toggle bar. And if you want to use everything, you complete it. So let's just say want to use 50% of it. Now, where you see TP and TP and SL, click on it. So at what point do you want your market? Do you want the market to where do you want to place your stop loss? You type in your stop loss at here. Let's just say 57,000, and your take profit, I want to take profit at 64,000. So now you can see if your trade should hit your TP, you will be having, out of $50 you want to use and trade, you will be having 168 USDT. That's about 333.33% rise. Then if you want to what's the name, if your trade should hit your stop loss, you'll be losing about uh 126 USDT. Now, price might not even get to that point and you get kicked out. You get, in fact, you have margin call. So what you want to do is, for this is an example, so you have to pay attention to it. Probably I'm comfortable risking about, let's just say, let's say I'm even comfortable risking this amount, right? I'm comfortable risking this amount, and you press your confirm. Now you're going to see that, okay, at this point you're buying, you go long, so confirm. Now you see that the order has already been placed here. It has not triggered yet, so it's just going to be there for the meantime till the market activates it. Now let's look at the chart, see where we are buying from. So we are saying if price should get to this 60,000, we want to buy. So once we activate and we are buying straight up. I don't know if you guys understand what I just said, but this is just for the sake of, now you can, let's go back to this trade. You see that we used, out of our 112, we used 50 something thousand, 50, sorry, I'm used to thousand, sorry. We used $58 to take this trade. Now we've not taken the trade, but this is just for example, for the sake of example, and just to help those people using Bybit for the first time to navigate their way around. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys understood this video. Any other question, any question you have, just put it in the chat box, and always just try to reach out to me anything you're having, anytime you're having challenges relating to trading, psychology, or whatever. Just feel free to reach me out on Instagram at prince_echo2, on Twitter at prince_echo2, and feel free to join my Telegram channel for free, my free Telegram channel. On the link will be added to this video description, as you already know Echo is active. Peace out, guys.